Hi everyone, myself is Kantraj HD, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Government First Grade College for Women, Kernagra. So this video we made for session 21 of paper SEC Math 02 Numerical Analysis, the syllabus prescribed by Mysore University. So in this session, our topic is method of separation of symbols. What is method of separation of symbols? Separation of symbols is the relation between the operators E, that is shift operator, delta, the forward difference operator, and nabla, the backward difference operator, can be used to prove number of useful identities is called method of separation of symbols. So let's see some useful relationships between shift operator, forward difference operator and backward difference operator. Under that, first one is nabla equals 1 minus e power minus 1, and next one nabla equals delta into e power minus 1, and e can be written as e equals 1 plus delta, and relation between the delta and nabla itself is delta minus nabla is equals to delta into nabla. Next one, nabla into e equals delta, e equals, next e equals e power h into d, where e is the exponential and capital D is the differential operator. Next one, 1 plus delta into 1 minus nabla is equals to 1. These are some major relationships between shift operator and difference operators. Let's see some problems on method of separation of symbols. So first example is that use method of separation of symbols to prove that ux is equals to ux minus 1 plus delta into ux minus 2 plus delta square ux minus 3 plus and so on plus delta to the power n minus 1 ux minus 1 plus delta to the power n ux minus n. So let's see the solution for this one. We have ux minus delta to the power n ux minus n is equals to the 1 minus delta to the power n e power minus n into ux. That means ux minus n is written as e power minus n into ux. Then we take an ux as a common, we get this one, which can be written as, which is equals to 1 minus delta divided by n whole to the power n into ux. Here we use the laws of indices. Next, take 1 by e power n as a common. So we get 1 by e power n into e power n minus delta to the power n into ux, which is equals to 1 divided by e power n into e power n minus delta to the power n whole divided by e minus delta into ux, because in previous step in denominator always we have a 1, that 1 can be written as e minus delta because e is equal to 1 plus delta. Using that relation we replace denominator 1 by e minus delta. So therefore on expansion of this ratio we get e power minus n into e power n minus 1 plus delta e power n minus 2 plus delta square e power n minus 3 plus and so on delta to the power n minus 1 into ux, which is equals to, after multiplying by e power minus n, we get e power minus 1 plus delta e power minus 2 plus delta square e power minus 3 plus and so on e delta to the power n minus 1 into e power minus n of u of x. So apply outside u of x with shift operator e, we get u of x minus 1 plus delta u x minus 2 plus delta square u x minus 3 plus and so on delta to the power n minus 1 into delta to the power n minus 1 u x minus n. So initially we consider u x minus delta to the power n u of x minus n in left hand side. Take this to the right hand side, we get ux is equals to ux minus 1 plus delta ux minus 2 plus delta square ux minus 3 plus and so on plus delta to the power n minus 1 ux minus n plus delta to the power n ux minus n. This completes the solution. So let's see the one more example on method of separation of symbols. That is second problem. Prove that u0 plus u1x by 1 factorial plus u2x square by 2 factorial plus u2x square by 2 factorial plus u3x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, which is equals to e power x into u0 plus x delta u0 plus x square by 2 factorial into delta square u0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into delta cube u0 plus and so on. This is what we need to prove. Let's see the solution for this one. That is LHS I consider, that is u0 plus u1x by 1 factorial plus u2x square by 2 factorial plus u3x cube by 3 factorial and so on, where u1 is nothing but e of u0, u2 is nothing but e square u0. So apply this relation in LHS. We can write all u1, u2, u3 in terms of u0 and shift operators, and so taken u0 as a common, we get or we remain with 1 plus ex by 1 factorial plus e square x square by 2 factorial plus e cube x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on of u0, which is nothing but e power x into capital E into u0. This term is a series form of exponential term, hence we get e power x minus e into u0. That is equals to e power x into 1 plus delta into u0, because e is equal to 1 plus delta. Separate the terms with exponential, which is equals to e power x into e power x into delta of u0. So which can be written as e power x into Again expand this exponential term in series form. We get 1 plus x delta plus x square delta square by 2 factorial plus x cube delta cube by 3 factorial plus and so on into u naught, which is equals to e power x into 1 into u naught is u naught plus x into delta u naught plus x square by 2 factorial into delta square u naught plus x cube by 3 factorial delta cube u naught plus and so on, which is equals to our required solution, that is RHS. Thank you for watching the video.